Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now, sign in with your Google account and confirm two-step verification because Skillshop requires secure access. Once done, choose the certification track you need, ads, analytics, or another product, so you focus only on relevant modules. Next, complete your profile and set learning goals. This aligns course suggestions with outcomes. Make sure to allocate one 60-90-minute block for setup. That prevents stopping mid-flow and losing progress. Now dive into the learning path. Follow the recommended module order to build knowledge progressively, because foundations unlock advanced topics more quickly. As you finish lessons, take the module quizzes and review missed questions right away. This reinforces why an answer is correct versus incorrect. Make use of notes and timestamp screenshots to capture examples. Also, use Skillshop search to jump to specific concepts. That saves time and keeps momentum when you encounter complex sections. Finish by scheduling the exam when your practice scores consistently hit about 85%. That threshold predicts success. During the test, manage your time and flag questions to revisit. Don't panic if one section feels hard. After passing, download or export your certificate and add it to LinkedIn and employer records to show results. If something goes wrong, pages not loading, module stuck, clear cache, retry in an incognito window, or contact Skillshop support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.